Whoa!
Hello my friends! Today we are going to do science. Ooh.
We're going to make elephant toothpaste.
Elephant toothpaste!
What do we need?
We need warm water, yeast, dish soap, food coloring,
and hydrogen peroxide. Now the higher the concentration of hydrogen peroxide, the better your elephant toothpaste will turn out. I'll put a link to the description of the one we're using. Should we get started?
Oh yeah!
Alright, first you want to mix 1 teaspoon of yeast with 2 teaspoons of warm water. Go ahead and mix that. And next you want to measure out half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Again, can you go put that in your bottle? You want to put that in your bottle?
Okay.
And then next, you want to add a squirt of dish soap. Okay, add a squirt of dish soap, and then add a squirt of your favorite food color. Can you add some food coloring? Right, why don't you give it a little mix?
Okay.
Alright, and then are we ready to add the yeast and see what it does?
Yeah.
Alright, here, put your funnel back in.
Okay.
And once you pour it in, you're going to have to pull the funnel out quickly, okay?
Okay.
So grab your yeast mixture. Alright, should we count down? 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, take your funnel out. Whoa!
Mine looks cool.
Yeah, is that
Mine has
cool?
like a little blue squirrel. So cool.
What do you think? Should we try it again and try and do a bigger one?
Yeah!
Yeah, you want to try a big one?
Whoa! It's so big. It's still going. It's going off the pan. It's going off the pan. Oh my god. It's going so fast. It's so hot. Yeah, it's hot. That's really hot. Ow, 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 ow. It's still going. Oh my god. It's still going. It's just gonna go on forever and ever. It's never gonna stop at this point. It's still going! Yeah. That was a fun experiment. I love science. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Keep watching to find out what we do next. Bye!